The difference between a server and a PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that many people often get confused about. What's the difference between a server and a PC? They both look like computers, but they serve very different purposes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our tech breakdowns. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start by looking at the basics. Both servers and personal computers, PCs, are types of computers, but they're designed for different tasks. A PC is what most of us use every day, whether for work, entertainment, or gaming. It's built to serve the individual user. A server, on the other hand, is a computer that provides services, data, or resources to other computers, often over a network. It's like the heart of an entire system, handling requests from multiple users simultaneously. Let's talk about purpose first. A personal computer is built for one person's use. It's meant to run software like web browsers, video games, or productivity tools like Microsoft Office. For example, when you're browsing the web or editing a document, your PC is doing that work just for you. Now, a server is used to store and manage data, host websites, run applications, or even manage databases. Servers can be handling requests from hundreds or even thousands of different users at once. Now let's look at hardware. A personal computer typically has components that are optimized for personal use, like a single CPU, 8 to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a moderate-sized hard drive or SSD. PCs usually have everything you need for a user-friendly experience, fast enough for gaming, media consumption, or day-to-day tasks. Servers, however, are built with enterprise-level hardware. They often come with multiple CPUs or multi-core processors, anywhere from 64 to 512 gigabytes of RAM or more, and large amounts of storage, sometimes even in the petabytes range. Servers are designed for maximum uptime, speed, and the ability to handle many processes at once without slowing down. Next up, operating systems. Personal computers usually run operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux desktop versions. These OS are designed for user-friendly interfaces, multitasking, and supporting a wide range of apps and games. Servers run different operating systems. You might see Windows Server, Linux Server, or Unix on a server. These OS are optimized for managing network resources, handling large volumes of traffic, and ensuring reliability. They typically don't have flashy GUIs, graphical user interfaces, since most server management is done remotely. Let's talk about performance and scalability. Personal computers are designed for quick, efficient use by one person. They work perfectly for tasks like watching videos, editing photos, or gaming. But as powerful as a personal computer is, it has its limits when it comes to handling large-scale, multi-user operations. Servers, on the other hand, are built to handle large amounts of data and multiple users at the same time. Whether it's hosting a website, running a database, or streaming videos, servers can scale to meet the demands of the network. Where do you find these computers? Personal computers are typically located in homes, offices, or even schools. They're designed for individual use and are usually placed on a desk or laptop. Servers, however, are mostly housed in data centers or server rooms. These facilities have specialized equipment to keep servers cool, ensure they're always connected to a network, and maintain power for uninterrupted service. Data centers can have thousands of servers running 24/7. These servers are often far away from the people who actually use the data they manage. Now let's talk about the cost and maintenance. A personal computer can cost anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s depending on specs and features. Servers, on the other hand, can be significantly more expensive due to their advanced hardware and high-performance components. In addition, they require ongoing maintenance, like monitoring performance, handling security updates, and ensuring their physical infrastructure is secure. Because servers need to operate continuously, they require specialized knowledge to keep everything running smoothly. Let's look at some real-life use cases. For personal use, you'd go with a PC. It's the go-to for things like checking emails, browsing social media, or playing games. But a server is behind most of the services we use daily. If you're using an online service like Google Drive or Netflix, the data is hosted on servers somewhere. If you visit a website, a server is hosting that website's files and delivering them to your browser. To summarize, here's a quick comparison. PC designed for individual use, runs personal software. Lower performance but great for personal tasks. Generally cheaper and easier to maintain. Server, designed for managing multiple requests and data. Runs network-oriented software and services. High performance, high reliability, and scalability. More expensive and requires more maintenance. So there you have it. Servers and PCs may look similar, but they serve very different purposes. Whether you're building a PC for gaming or looking into a server for hosting your website, understanding the differences is key to picking the right one for the job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more tech tips.